With this 5-minute makeup routine, you'll not only come to first period prepared, but you look like you have it all together, even though you don't. So first, I like to do my eyebrows. I don't like to do my blush if I'm in a rush. I like to do my bottom black brow. I don't know what it's called. My bottom brow, and then I like to do the top brow, and then I just color it in like it's a coloring book. You can get your spoolie at Sephora as a tester for your eyebrows. And you want to blend them out so that they like to block, which is kind of what it looks like after when I do my makeup, but it's okay. So then I take my concealer, which is also something you could buy at Shoppers, and I like to outline my brows. Foundation, which is also something you can find at Shoppers. This is a beauty on a budget video. When I'm in a rush, I like to make my foundation look like I'm a lion. Then I like to put on my forehead, not a lot because my forehead seems to be darker than my actual face. I don't know why my face is not cooperating with me. And then I like to take this round brush and I like to blend it up. Then I like to take my mascara, which is also something you can find at Shoppers. This is a Maybelline New Year Comes Up. Get your any type of lip gloss. You could get this at a beauty store because I know these are kind of trendy. You just don't want dry lips when you go to school.